Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be giving a quick overview of the TranscriptTrack software and just walking you through how the application works. So I'm going to go ahead and get started by clicking the icon down here on the taskbar. And as the application opens, since this is a fresh install, what you'll notice is that you'll be prompted to add a new profile. And so I'm going to go ahead and enter the company name. I'm going to create a fake transcription company here called Superscribes. And I'm going to select my currency, which I'm going to say is US dollars. Hit save. And then right away, I'm going to be prompted to create one or more line rates or pay rates. So I'm going to add a couple now. Double click there. And let's say this is just regular typing, regular typed lines. Add a pay rate of 12 cents per line. Enter. I can create as many as I need to. So let's say QA, add 8 cents per line. And then one more for VR or voice recognition at 9 cents per line. I'll hit save. And also reopen that window right here, manage line rates, and I can edit pay rates, I can edit descriptions, and I can also, if I need to, delete entries. One thing to be very careful of here is that when you delete a line rate or a profile, you also delete any of the work associated with that profile or line rate. So just be careful and only do that if you're sure that you don't need the work that you're getting rid of. You can also go in here and edit an existing profile and change these details. You can also go in and add another profile. So if I create another fake transcription company called Scribe Masters out of Australia, I'm going to hit save. Again, I'll be prompted to add one or more pay rates. And then I can also go up here and switch between profiles. So I can go over to Superscribes, or I can go back to Scribe Masters. At this point, I can go ahead and add line entries. You can do that via the menu at the top here, or you can also select the Add button. Enter the number of lines. You can either hit Enter or click Save, and those lines will save. You can double-click an entry to edit that entry. And you can also use these buttons on the side here to edit or delete an entry. You can also switch this date up here to any other date you'd like. So the application will default to the current date, but you can also select dates in the past or in the future and add lines there as well. And finally, you can select this icon here or select the View Monthly Totals option at the top and see the total lines and total pay for that specific profile for the entire month. So since we're in August right now, I'm seeing all of the totals for this profile, the Superscribes profile, for the month of August. You can see the grand total of lines down here and your grand total of pay for all of the work done for that month. And that's pretty much it. I thank you for your time. Thank you for using TranscriptTrack, and I'm happy to answer any questions that anyone might have in the comments down below.